goodness. See, little by little, we're getting them up here. Oh my goodness, my babies. Look at my chickies. Oh my god, my babies. Hi, cheeky. Don't scare yourself now. Oh, they're so close to us.
Oh, they're all good.
Oh my god, my babies! Now they're gonna be here in the morning. Right? Oh, my roosters! Come here, babies! Oh my goodness.
That was
More food. Come on, you get closer. We ain't gonna hurt you. We won't hurt you. Oh, she flew back. Oh, oh look. Here you go. Huh? Come on. They love their Cheerios. Don't be scared. Here you go. She's like, shortcut. The other one, somebody's bothering the other one. Hi, baby. We're the crazy chicken people, as usual. Leave the chicken alone. That rooster, he's so mean. Look, he's trying to beat up all the chicken out there.
Bop, bop.
Huh?
Bop, bop.
Hi. At least you got to eat some. Aw, okay. See you guys later.